10 Secrets of Women Who Keep Spotless Homes Every Single Day. Marcus here from Seniors Cleaning Hacks, and this might sound impossible, but some women manage to keep their homes looking like luxury hotels 24/7. Their secret? 10 simple habits that take almost no extra time but create massive results. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to transform your home from chaotic to calm in just days. I'm talking about real systems that work, not quick fixes. And here's the thing, these aren't complicated methods that require hours of work. They're smart shortcuts that actually save you time. Quick favor before we jump in. If you're ready to finally get control of your home, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you want more life-changing cleaning hacks from Seniors Cleaning Hacks. Your support keeps these videos coming. Let me share something that might surprise you. Most people think cleaning and tidying are the same thing. They're not. And this confusion is exactly why so many homes stay messy despite hours of scrubbing. The women with consistently clean homes understand this difference, and that's their first advantage.
Habit 1. The 2-minute rule. Marcus here, and the first habit might shock you with its simplicity. It's called the 2-minute rule, and it works like magic. Most people see a dirty dish and think, I'll handle it later. But later becomes tomorrow, tomorrow becomes next week, and before you know it, you're facing a kitchen disaster that takes hours to fix. Women with pristine homes think differently. They ask themselves one question: will this take less than 2 minutes? If yes, they do it immediately. No exceptions. That coffee mug you just finished, rinse it now, takes 30 seconds. The jacket you just took off, hang it up, takes 20 seconds. The mail you brought inside, sort it immediately, takes 90 seconds. This isn't about being obsessive. It's about understanding how mess multiplies. One dish becomes 5. One piece of mail becomes a pile. One piece of clothing becomes a laundry mountain. Here's your challenge from Seniors Cleaning Hacks. Pick one room, maybe your kitchen, and apply this rule for just 1 week. Every time you use something in that space, put it back if it takes under 2 minutes. Watch how this single change transforms that entire area. The beauty of this habit is that it prevents mess rather than fighting it after it's already taken over. Prevention always beats cleanup.
Habit 2. Smart spaces for everything. The second habit separates organized women from everyone else. Every single item has one specific home, and it never lives anywhere else. Marcus speaking from experience, most people let their belongings wander. Keys end up on the counter, then the table, then the dresser. Scissors travel from the kitchen to the bedroom to the living room. Important papers scatter across multiple surfaces. Organized women don't allow this chaos. They create permanent addresses for their belongings. Keys live in one spot by the door, always. Scissors have one drawer, always. Important documents have one folder, always. This system saves incredible amounts of time. No more frantic searching for car keys when you're running late. No more digging through piles to find that one important paper. No more buying duplicate items because you can't find what you already own. For our Seniors Cleaning Hacks family, especially our senior viewers, this habit is a game changer. Having fixed spots for medications, reading glasses, and daily essentials reduces stress and keeps you safer at home. Start small. Choose your 5 most used items. Decide where each one belongs, somewhere visible and easy to reach. Train yourself to return each item to its home immediately after use. Once this becomes automatic, expand to more items. The goal isn't perfection, it's creating a system where putting things away becomes as natural as taking them out.
Habit 3. Buffer zone strategy. Here's something Marcus learned that most people miss. Not everything can go to its permanent home immediately. You need smart temporary stops. Think about it. You walk in with mail, shopping bags, and a jacket. You can't sort the mail instantly, put away all groceries immediately, or decide if the jacket needs washing right away. Without designated temporary spots, these items create instant clutter.
Organized women solved this with buffer zones, specific areas for items in transition. A small basket by the door for mail to be sorted within 48 hours. A chair in the bedroom for clothes that aren't dirty but aren't clean enough for the closet. A counter space for groceries waiting to be put away. The magic is in the rules. Buffer zones must have limits. Mail gets sorted within 2 days. Clothes get decided on within 24 hours. Groceries get stored the same day. Seniors Cleaning Hacks subscribers use boxes or baskets to contain these transition items. This keeps them organized even when they're temporary. Buffer zones eliminate that scattered, chaotic feeling because everything has a place, even when it's waiting to reach its final destination.
Habit 4. The Evening Reset Ritual. Mark is here with habit number 4, and this one changes everything about your mornings. Most people collapse at the end of the day and leave everything where it fell. They wake up to chaos. Dishes in the sink, clothes everywhere, bags and papers scattered around. Their day starts with stress and rushing. Women with consistently clean homes invest 15 minutes each evening to reset their space. They walk through their main areas, living room, kitchen, bedroom, and do quick maintenance. In the living room, fold throws, fluff cushions, return magazines to their stack, put remote controls back in their holder. In the kitchen, clear counters completely, load or wash dishes, prepare coffee for morning, wipe down surfaces quickly. In the bedroom, lay out tomorrow's outfit completely. Clothes, shoes, accessories. Put today's clothes in the hamper or back in the closet. This isn't deep cleaning, it's maintenance that keeps your daily systems running smoothly. The payoff is huge. You wake up to a calm, ready home. Your morning routine flows smoothly because everything is in place. Your stress level drops immediately because you're starting from organization instead of chaos. Seniors Cleaning Hacks viewers, try this. Set a timer for exactly 15 minutes after dinner. Walk through your main areas and simply put things back where they belong. Do this for 1 week and feel the difference in your mornings.
Habit 5. Clean while you go method. From Marcus at Seniors Cleaning Hacks. Habit 5 might sound familiar, but most people don't actually do it. Clean as you go. The typical approach is to let everything pile up. Cook a meal and leave all the prep dishes. Let bathroom surfaces get grimy for weeks. Allow dust to build up until it's obviously dirty. Organized women handle mess when it's fresh and easy. While their pasta cooks, they wash the cutting board. While their coffee brews, they wipe the counter. After their shower, they squeegee the glass doors. This approach prevents the overwhelming cleanups that make people hate housework. Fresh spills wipe away in seconds. Dried spills can take scrubbing and soaking. Fresh soap scum rinses off easily. Built-up soap scum needs special cleaners and elbow grease. The principle is simple. Leave each space ready for its next use. Finish cooking, and your kitchen is already clean. Finish showering, and your bathroom is already fresh. Challenge for Seniors Cleaning Hacks subscribers. Choose one daily activity, maybe cooking dinner or getting ready in the morning. Clean up each step as you go. Notice how much time and energy this actually saves. This habit transforms cleaning from a dreaded chore into small, manageable moments throughout your day.
Habit 6. Power of 5-minute bursts. Marcus here, and Habit 6 uses time you're already spending to keep your home organized. Most people think cleaning requires dedicating entire mornings or weekends. Because they don't have big blocks of time, they keep postponing. Meanwhile, their home gets more overwhelming. Organized women understand that 5 minutes can create visible change. They use natural waiting periods throughout their day. While their coffee brews, wipe kitchen counters. While their computer starts up, sort through yesterday's mail. While they're on hold during a phone call, fold a basket of laundry. While their dinner heats up, sweep the kitchen floor. The secret is choosing tasks with obvious visual impact. Clearing a counter makes the whole kitchen look better. Making a bed transforms the entire bedroom. Organizing shoes by the door improves your entryway.
For our Seniors Cleaning Hacks community, create a list of 5-minute tasks and post it where you'll see it. When you have a spare moment, pick one task and set a timer. This prevents you from getting carried away and feeling overwhelmed. Tasks perfect for 5-minute bursts: loading the dishwasher, wiping bathroom mirrors, sorting through one pile of papers, organizing one small drawer, or dusting one surface. These small efforts accumulate into major improvements without feeling like work.
Habit 7. Weekly Reset Sessions. Marcus speaking from Seniors Cleaning Hacks. Habit 7 prevents your daily efforts from breaking down over time. No matter how good your daily habits are, things still drift. Papers accumulate, items get misplaced, small messes build up in corners you don't notice daily. Organized women schedule one weekly reset, usually Saturday morning or Sunday afternoon. This isn't deep cleaning, it's returning everything to its baseline. They spend about 1 hour walking through their home systematically. Kitchen, check the refrigerator for expired items, reorganize spice rack, ensure no dishes are hiding anywhere. Living room, straighten bookshelves, fold and put away throws, dust surfaces quickly. Bedroom, sort through clothes worn that week, separate clean from dirty, remove items that don't belong. Bathroom, organize products, throw away empties, restock supplies. Each weekly reset is also a chance to remove things. They find at least 10 items that no longer serve them, empty containers, clothes that don't fit, papers that are outdated. Seniors Cleaning Hacks tip: choose the same day and time each week. Make it routine. This consistency prevents your home from sliding back into chaos between resets. The weekly reset acts like a restart button, ensuring your daily habits stay effective.
Habit 8. Master the flow control. Here's Habit 8 from Marcus at Seniors Cleaning Hacks. And this one prevents clutter from returning after you've organized. Most people focus on getting rid of stuff, but ignore what's coming in. New items enter constantly: mail, shopping bags, gifts, purchases. Without controlling this flow, your newly organized space fills up again quickly. Organized women are intentional about what enters their homes. Before bringing anything inside, they ask, "Do I really need this? Where will it live? What will I remove to make space?" They follow the one-in, one-out rule religiously. Buy a new shirt, an old one gets donated. Receive a kitchen gadget as a gift, an unused one gets passed along. This isn't about being rigid, it's about being conscious. They don't keep items out of guilt or obligation. If something doesn't serve their current life, they let it go to someone who will use it. Every 3 months, they do a flow check. They walk through closets, cabinets, and storage areas, asking, "Have I used this recently? Do I still like it? Is it worth the space it takes up?" Items that fail these tests get removed immediately. Seniors Cleaning Hacks viewers, this habit saves money because you buy more thoughtfully and avoid duplicates. It saves time because you have fewer items to organize and maintain. It saves energy because your space stays functional. Controlling the flow in and out makes you the master of your possessions instead of their slave. Habit 9. Visual Organization Systems. Marcus here with Habit 9. Organized women don't rely on memory to maintain their systems. They create visual guides that anyone can follow. Memory fails, especially when you're tired, stressed, or aging. The result? Items get put in wrong places. Family members can't find things, and systems break down. Smart women create clear visual signals. They use labels, different colored containers, and obvious groupings. Kitchen spices get labeled sections, baking spices together, cooking spices together, rarely used spices in back. Closets get divided by type: work clothes, casual clothes, exercise clothes. Office papers get sorted into clearly labeled folders: bills in one section, personal documents in another, manuals in a third. For families with children or seniors, they use pictures along with words: a shoe image on the shoe storage, a towel picture on the linen closet.
These visual systems make maintenance easy for everyone. Family members can participate in keeping order because they know exactly where everything belongs. Seniors Cleaning Hacks subscribers, the simpler your system, the longer it lasts. Use large, clear labels. Group similar items together. Make the most used items the most accessible.
Habit 10. Integration into daily flow. Marcus wrapping up with the final habit from Seniors Cleaning Hacks. Organized women make tidiness automatic by weaving it into activities they already do. They don't wait for special cleaning times. They turn small organizing actions into reflexes that happen alongside daily routines. Getting out of bed? Straighten the covers immediately. Brushing teeth? Rinse the sink afterward. Walking through the living room? Straighten the throw pillows while passing by. Waiting for water to boil? Wipe the counter during those 2 minutes. Watching TV becomes folding time. Phone calls become desk organizing time. Commercial breaks become quick pickup time. This integration means their home never falls into chaos because maintenance happens constantly in tiny increments. Deep cleaning becomes lighter because the baseline never gets too messy. The key insight from Seniors Cleaning Hacks: you don't need perfection. These habits aren't about creating a magazine-perfect home. They're about creating a space where you feel calm, can find what you need, and don't waste energy on avoidable mess. Start with just one habit. Maybe it's the 2-minute rule in your kitchen. Maybe it's creating homes for your most used items. Maybe it's a 15-minute evening reset. Pick the habit that speaks to you most and commit to it for 1 week. Once it feels natural, add another habit. Small changes create big transformations when you're consistent. Thank you for watching Seniors Cleaning Hacks. If these tips helped you, smash that like button and subscribe for more home organization secrets. Drop a comment telling Marcus which habit you're going to try first. And share this video with someone who needs these life-changing tips. Your support means everything to our Seniors Cleaning Hacks family. Together, we're creating calmer homes and more peaceful lives, one simple habit at a time.